celebration, and all that good stuff. Woo!
None of this happens without the sponsors for the North Texas chapter. Thank you. Let's give a hand for all those sponsors. Thank you. Again for being here. I am so grateful and honored of your presence. Again, this year I have an amazing board. So Max is the vice president. I'm so grateful that he's on board. He's gonna help me take the lead. Also all the board members, we're gonna do amazing things this year. Am I right? Yeah. So because of CCIM, it gives me the opportunity to stand up here and lead the chapter. And I want to thank all of you guys that give me that opportunity, that have trust on me. I will always remember that. And I'm very proud that I'm standing in front of you as the first Asian American president for the chapter. And I promise you, I'm going to take our chapter to the next level.